Hi all. This video will take a quick look at the three primary test types and the skill tests. There are one-click tests, multi-step answer tests, and builders. So let's see each one of those. One-click tests live up to their name. There's little to explain for these as you just click the appropriate option. Remember that in a mastery test you can change your answer if it's incorrect, while a one-shot test will lock the example after a single click. That's probably enough about these. Multi-part answers are slightly more involved, as they require you to enter multiple pieces of information. There are two important things to understand about this test type. The first is answer sequence. Most multi-part tests won't allow you to select certain parts of the answer until you've chosen one or more other fields. This does mean that even if you immediately know the second part of an answer before you've determined the first part, you'll need to wait to enter that information. This is due to the second important feature of these tests. Selecting one part of the answer will register as an answer submission every time you click it. That's for the sake of speed. You don't need to click an additional submit button to enter your answer with these. But the answer submitting field is blocked until you've chosen the other fields to prevent the accidental submission of a partial answer. There are a few multi-part answers that do use a submit button, but this is generally because there aren't separate fields in the answer. Builder tests become more common in the later modules. The idea with these is that you need to manipulate one or more notes on the staff to build the requested object. These tests all use a submit button to indicate that you've completed your answer. Note that in some of the builders, you'll only be able to change certain notes. For example, the base staff might be locked so that you can focus on the treble staff. One thing to be careful of, it's possible to switch notes from one staff to the other on Grand Staff builder exercises, but this will break the exercise, so please keep notes on their original staff. One last test gets special mention. In the key signature builder test, you're moving accidentals to make a key signature rather than notes to make a chord or melody. For this test, you can either select and delete any extra accidentals or just ignore them. They'll only register as incorrect if you've moved them onto the staff. Click the reset button if you delete too many accidentals. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy practicing.